Hey Chit fam, hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ish and I'm so happy to be back with another bang, with another interesting video. So first things first, are you telling me that Mai TT have a PC? Huh? Anyway, before we dig in this amazing chit chat, kindly smash that subscribe button, a like, share and comment. And also guys, let me know what you think in the comment section. Okay, as you can see guys, event kwaPokello for the official champagne Pokello brand launch. There was a lot of celebrities there: Madam Bossy, Yaya Good Vibes, Hattie Perry, Deliwe. Like there was a lot, even Andy Zozo. There was a lot of Zimbabwean celebrities, right? And Mai TT was not there. So my question will be, why they didn't invite Mai TT? And manzwa clips ke kutanga Pokello was saying kana usina kuona ka box ke pink hawupise, of which she was inviting all these people using that pink box with a bottle of wine, a cane, a glass, a wine glass, and beautiful card with the name on it. Okay, so they are saying Mai TT have a PC. But in my own opinion, they know if Mai TT diva kaenda with that event, when it comes to dressing, that lady, she's on top notch. She'll always kill it. All the attention will be going to her because she takes a time when it comes to dressing. She really do take her time. But guys, before we keep on going as well, please support this channel by just welcoming our new members in this family. Thank you guys for tuning into this amazing family. We love you, we appreciate you. Make sure you share the video as well. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always being here. And this is Mai TT, guys, a free spirit. And from things that I have noticed, and a lot of you have been commenting on her page, Facebook page, Instagram page, saying why you were not at Pokello's event. And she said Andite Jumtonono. And she also said I'm busy preparing for my movie premiere, so why should I waste my time going there? Yo, hey guys, let me know what you think. Let me know what you think in the comment section. It's good to have a chit chat, what you think. And also why Pokello didn't invite Mai TT. She's one of the biggest female celebrities in Zimbabwe, and I love the fact that she also supports other celebrities, and she might even market the brand so well. So why are you telling us she's not hot, like what you said earlier? Happy say Remkazuyu. There's a move coming, Lost in Ashes, this September on the 27th, and there'll be a premiere in at Westgate. So you guys buy the tickets and go and support our fellow. She'll be doing that, and we are going to be very proud of her. Actually, we are proud of her. Yes, we're proud of her. But on the day, we are going to just enjoy the premiere move with her. So guys, let me know what you think. Why Mai TT lasina kuenda ku Pokello's event as one of the biggest artists? Like, she's an artist and also she's a celeb and she's a comedian. Why? She's one of the biggest celebrities, guys. Even if someone achitarisa kuvanhu vakatanga with Nichi muno Zimbabwe, we also look to Mai TT, Madam Boss, nevamwe vakadaro daro. Vamwe vacho vakatoenda, they are not even bigger than Mai TT. Why? Is it because maybe munhu zvake outspoken, kana kuti vakatyawo kuti masecrets avo anozoburitswa? Because muranda kadzi kana zvamubata, aiwa, kana zvamubata zvinomboita kunge zvichamuwisira pasi, because she always outspoken. But nowadays she's not like that because of Shumba, I guess. Because Shumba vanomudzikamisa. I'm sure if everyone is in love, deeply in love, you just behave and you know your targets, you know your boundaries, and as well even your limits, you know all that. So thanks to Shumba, and well done Mai TT for whatever you were doing. And it's not a crime for not attending Pokello's event. It's not even a crime, but somehow it's actually a blessing in disguise. We'll keep supporting you. Let me know what you guys are thinking in the comment section. Bye guys, I'll see you again on my next video. Thank you so much for watching.